Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make broccoli no gomae. Broccoli no gomae or broccoli with sesame sauce is very easy, so quick, and it's delicious. My son's favorite. It's great for lunchbox too. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with this broccoli with sesame sauce, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. Broccoli, 2 tablespoons ground sesame, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Very simple. I'm cutting the broccoli into bite size. Let's just cut these parts off. These big ones, let's cut it into half. The stem is edible and it's delicious, so don't throw it away. Outside of the stem is a little bit hard, so let's shave it off, rather thick. These, you can throw them away. The bottom end is dried out. I'm cutting it off. Let's slice it diagonally. Put half a cup water into the pot. Just half a cup. Stem first. And then these buds. The broccoli is not sinking in the water, but it's fine. You're steam cooking it. So let's put the lid on. Turn the heat on and bring it to boil. Now it's boiling. Set the timer for 2 minutes and just keep cooking. Okay, cooked for 2 minutes, so let's strain. Just strain using strainer and spread it out on the paper towel. Then cool it down to room temperature. In the meantime, let's make the sesame sauce. You just need to put these 3 together. 2 tablespoons ground sesame. Ground sesame is very easy to find in Japan. But if you can't find ground sesame, you can just find some sesame seeds. 1 tablespoon sugar. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Mix them all together and the sauce is ready. It's like a paste. Very easy. Now, broccoli is room temperature, so let's mix it with the sauce. Just put the broccoli into the bowl. Using the broccoli, let's scrape out the sauce in the spoon so that you don't waste any sauce. Give it a nice mix. Serve in the bowls. And broccoli no gomae or broccoli with sesame sauce is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。Broccoli is perfectly cooked. It's still crunchy. And the sesame sauce, it's toasty, almost like a peanut butter, and it's delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Broccoli with sesame sauce is the side dish, so let's put it here. For the other side dish, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. Plain rice here, tofu miso soup or any miso soup you like here. For the main dish, you can have whatever you like, but I think I want to have toriten. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!